So in the previous video, I showed how we 3D scan a connector like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how we 3D scan and model a part like this. This is a metal tool and it's got a very precise and accurate ballpoint tip. I'm going to show you how we scan a part like this with good accuracy and precision on our 3D scanner. So I hope you all have seen the capabilities of our 3D scanner. This desktop 3D scanner does not occupy a lot of space in your office or your design studio. At the same time, it gives you good accuracy and very good precise results. So book your 3D scanner right away.